Something?
Yes.
Go.
I'm at the just getting off of the 169 onto the BA, looking back to the west, and there are a lot of low-hanging clouds coming in with this area of circulation. I don't see anything on the ground with this stuff to the south right now, but there are a lot of scary-looking low-hanging clouds, and I'll keep an eye on it as it comes through this south part of Tulsa.
Okay, Break, go ahead.
Travis, this is Darren. 129 East Avenue and 244 to my north. As we approach the casino, there are multiple power flashes to my north a long time. As we advance east towards the casino, multiple power flashes are occurring.
All right, if you're near the casino right now, you need to be taking cover. Get inside, lowest floors. If you're any place, get inside, lowest floor, away from outside windows and walls. Stay as calm as you can, but this is a big deal. Go ahead.
Travis, okay, power flashes and all the power just went out. I'm at 145th East Avenue and 51st. Power flashes just to my west, and the electricity, when the power flash went off, it just took all the electricity out over here in this area.
Okay, so we have a couple of areas right now for anyone that's watching. We have areas on the east side of Tulsa, near Catoosa, where we just had power flashes heading toward the casino and Hard Rock in that area on 412, with winds estimated at probably over 60 miles per hour very easily, could be up to near 90. Also, the downtown Tulsa area and hail occurring now from around Owasso to Turley back into the Tulsa area. We have also a circulation feature that has been going on the west-southwest side of Tulsa. We're keeping an eye on, and hopefully that won't develop into anything else. Tornado warning, though, continues for areas, in fact...
Break, Travis.
Go.
Break.
Go.
At 161st East Avenue, right just to the west of the stockyards, a large funnel has procured from the base. Large funnel. That would explain the multiple power flashes. This is moving east towards the casino.
All right. If you're
Travis, I see it too from my vantage point.
Do you? All right. So do we have Sky News 6 up? Will, you there?
Evacuate the casino.
Travis, I'm with you. We're watching the lowering here as we come up towards the casino. Right now, the leading edge of that rain curtain is right around the stockyards. And you can start to see this storm, again, redevelop again, gaining a little bit more life as we move out to the east. And you can see that lowering on the left center of your screen right there. I'll have Paul zoom in a little bit. Now, we are seeing some more, as this leading edge is starting to lower a little bit more, we can start to see bands in there of counterclockwise rotation starting to develop as this storm begins to pick up again in its life cycle out here. So we're going to continue to keep you up to date, but you can see a little formation. As you can see that lowering right there, in and out. Not quite defined yet, but it wants to. We're going to continue to keep an eye on that with our camera. Travis?
All right. Thanks on that. And do we have go? Moving through the southern Tulsa County area. Also need a Jinx camera to catch that cell coming up. You got it? Okay. And if you could, what we're going to do is we're going to take a quick look at the cell that is coming into, yeah, you can punch up there. And
if you're there,
okay,
Travis,
go. Yeah, go, Darren.
Travis, if you're there, the lowering is just passing over the top of the stockyards now. It is advancing towards the casino. There is debris in the air. One slapped my back glass of my vehicle and it's busted out. So there is heavy circulation here. Again, the lowering is just east of the stockyards, advancing towards the casino.
Okay, at this time we've got it. 15th and Harvard, we've had roofs blown off as well. Tornado is most likely rain wrapped. Yes.
Travis, Fulton, you got me?
Yes, go.
Look at that! Look at that shot. I don't know if you can make it out. There's something going on right inside there.
Yeah.
Look at the debris coming at me, Travis.
I see the debris.
Coming at me.
We've got to have a tornado.
It's flying right at me.
Yeah.
It's coming right at me, Travis.
All right. If you're in that area, you have to get to cover right now. Again, this is right at the area which we were concerned with. This is the area which we're concerned that is going to be a possible tornado right in that, right at the casino, right at Catoosa right now. Get to a place of safety at this very minute.
Put your seatbelt on.
And so make sure you are safe. Make sure you're in a place away from outside windows and walls. Another tornado is very, very possible, rain wrapped in that at this very minute because the circulation feature is strong enough for that. Yes, go.
Have you got the video? You can see this. I can't guarantee for sure it's on the ground, but there's definitely, we might as well treat it as there is because up in the air, I'm looking up probably at a good 45-degree angle, and I have white roofing, pieces of roofing styrofoam, stuff in the air that is actually being hurled deep up in the air, not just at the surface. So look at my shot now. You can see that debris.
We can see that.
See that? See that cloud
split
right there?
screen.
I think we should just be safe, Travis, please, and treat this as if there is a tornado, even though I cannot visually see it. There may be one inside there. Look at that. Look at the motion on that.
That is there.
Something going on inside there.
Yep. Hey, thanks, Mark. Hold on. Darren, you there?
Yes, Travis, I'm here.
What do you got? Same thing?
Same thing. It's still advancing towards the casino. Lots of circulation. Probably the most intense outside of the tornadoes that we've seen today. But I have a very clear shot of it. I do not see a tornado on the ground, but there is definitely a lowering there. There is debris in the air. There are power flashes. So all indication is that there is something there. Got to go east.
Okay. All right, so we have that, and that's what's happening. Again, Storm Track Dick has put together for us at this moment. It's just on the east side of Catoosa, right on 412 for this damaging event, which could be a tornado. It is a tornado warning at this moment as Dick continues to analyze what's happening there. Let's go to Mark Fulton. Mark, what do you have?
Travis, same situation. I'm moving a little bit further east trying to stay out ahead of this thing. But the winds and debris are still coming out of it just like they were a while ago. I've got a large trampoline just flew right across the street here. It's on the south side of the road here, 187th East Avenue, Stone Creek Farms Edition. The storm is going to be north of you that we're looking at, but right here you're going to be getting the winds right now, Travis. Okay,
and that's the situation going on with that. I'm going to go back over to Vaughn for a minute. Vaughn, what do you got?
Yeah, I'm still sitting at the exit ramp off of 169 on the BA, watching this area of circulation. It's starting to get more defined, and seeing some lower level circulation with this area to the south. And I'm looking due west. If you got my screen, looking due west back towards the Tulsa proper. So I'll keep watching this while the other guys keep on that northern storm.
Okay, that sounds good. And then a lot of folks are one. What'd you say, Sean? Okay, Will. Let's go to Will. Yeah, Will, go. What do you got?
Hey, Travis, we're out here. You can see the bright lights in the bottom of our screen. That is the casino right there as we look out to the southeast. And we're going to show you what everybody's talking about here. Again, we saw that lowering define a little bit earlier like a wall cloud, but it's starting to lose some of that definition right here. We do see some slight or slow-moving rotation in the base of the clouds, but again, nothing real developed yet. It looks like it's trying to develop, but again, it's in and out. It's ebbing in its life cycle right now. So, again, we're going to continue to keep you up to date, but it looks like it's losing a little bit of definition there as a wall cloud that we saw earlier, especially from earlier. But it's right over the casino as you were looking here, really just on the east side of the casino as we look back. You can see the rain curtain on your left side. Still a lot of lightning. So, again, this is still developing and ebbing in its life cycle, developing and then dissipating very quickly as we see the lightning kind of come and go throughout this storm as it moves eastbound. Travis?
Okay, thanks, Will. Appreciate that. Again, for anyone who's listening to us or has friends who are listening on our partners, our iHeart Radio partners, which is 92.1. The Beat, 106.1 The Twister, or KMOD 95 or 97.5. I would like for you guys